Hello folks, today we're doing an inspection here and I wanted to share with you a problem that happens if you don't attend to issues. And this is one right here that I'm down in my crawl space here underneath the porch, as you can see. And then, it's not all that bad, but we get over this way and you can see I got washout. And you can see I'm up underneath here how far it's going. And actually, I wouldn't doubt if we don't have animals living way back in there. I've encountered that before on these washouts. But this is what you're looking for now. Concrete slab is not designed for suspension. So this is a problem, and you can see that there's really not a whole lot to support on this thing. Well, and then come over here, let's take a look at this. And you can see that my concrete's all rotted away and it's gone. But I wanted to share with you here too. See my post? So they got this supporting this. This whole roof or this porch right here, but it's not properly secured. It's not even sitting on footings at all. The posts aren't, and you can see we got this right here, same thing there. So just a mess. And look here, it's even cracking already my floor because of the weight. This is what you're looking for when you this is what you don't want to find when you're getting a home inspection. You don't want to buy a house like this. It's bad. Anyway, folks, give me a call, Galloway Building Services. Hopefully you will not get caught. These people, I just saved them a ton of money because of this stuff. This is horrible. Anyway, thanks, folks. This is just part of it. I got more videos of this place. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.